the sport.
Yeah. That's all we got, guys.
That's how you want to cook it.
Let's taste it. Ooh. It's incredible to make mayo out of smala.
If you've ever cooked at home, you've probably wondered, can you air fry steak, especially if it's Wagyu? And can you make frozen chicken nuggets fancy?
Today we are with award-winning Toronto chef Tony Trin. Thank you for coming through, bro. What are we doing today?
We're gonna be cooking some Wagyu with smala sauce and doing some fancy chicken nuggets.
Listen, guys, this is trending on the internet right now. Wagyu on Lizzo.
It's like should be cold, so all the fat's coming out.
Oh, is that what it is? The Wagyu's fatty because it's actually melting at room temperature.
Season up these Wagyu steaks, and then we're gonna put them in the air fryer. Just a little kosher salt, black pepper on both, and then some aromatics, thyme, garlic, and shallots. So some shallots.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, this looks different than when we cook with the air fryer in. It looks different. How long we going for?
We're gonna try 8 minutes for 450 degrees.
Man, even the way you put the salt on looks like a professional chef.
Does the salt sit better when it comes off your finger?
Let the salt dance. Just make it all even.
Okay.
Make the salt dance. All right.
Yo, Tony, I know chefs love the cast iron skillet. Why is it so much better than even one of these pans?
I think it just has more flavor. You season it with the oil, and it's way more flavor.
So is that kind of like the Western wok? You know how like everybody's like, yo, the wok needs to be seasoned. You need an iron wok. You need an iron skillet.
The sport.
Yeah. That's all we got. That's all we got, guys. Tony, why do you grill it on the side like this?
Just want to render up more of that fat so it tastes kind of like crispy pork.
Oh.
You want to get that nice. Otherwise, it tastes too fatty, even though the whole steak is fat.
One time? Resting the steak for 10 minutes.
We're waiting for the steaks to rest up. Let's get the frites going. All right, you guys, this is the moment of truth. We've got Australian Wagyu, Japanese Wagyu, one's straight from the air fryer, one's straight from the cast iron skillet. I'm excited. This is, what is this? This is air fried Australian.
M8?
M8, okay.
Do that try?
Oh man, all right, hell yeah.
Yummy.
How's that taste?
You taste it too. I mean, get your point of view. I mean, that's pretty good, but I don't know if it's just because it's Wagyu.
I think the one thing about the air fryer is you do have a little bit less control.
Yeah.
Obviously, than when it's right in front of you on the pan.
Wow, here we go.
This is Japanese A5.
This is Japanese A5 Wagyu out of the air fryer. Oh,
Nice butter.
I mean, it didn't ruin it.
What do you think?
I give that a 4 out of 5.
So this is the cast iron Australian.
I would say the Australian looks significantly different.
Yeah, this looks like a traditional steak at a steakhouse. Okay.
It's better.
It's better than the Australian one from the air fryer. It is, but not entirely different. We got kids in the building. Keep cutting, keep cutting. Wow. So Tony, you cook with Wagyu a lot more than us. You tell us, is this how it's supposed to look?
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
That's beautiful. That's how you want to cook it.
Let's taste it.
That was like a 5 out of 5.
That was buttery. Wow.
I'm going with this one.
Yeah.
All day.
That was the best one. How, in your chef opinion, honestly, trying to take bias out of it because I know you're a cast iron chef here.
How big of a disparity or gap was there between the air fryer version and the cast iron skillet?
It's not that much of a difference, but I'm used to this one. I'm saying if you use smala sauce, it's all gonna taste good.
Hey, you guys, let's finish it with some smala. All right, listen, guys. For me, I gotta try the Australian air fried with the smala.
Yummy.
Smala was nice. Wow. Okay, so overall, cast iron, when it comes to steak, obviously wins out. But if you really don't have a cast iron stove, I think you could still cook a steak in the air fryer and it works. But make sure you get the foil parchment paper and make sure that your air fryer can go up to 450. It really helps.
You are gonna need a little bit more of a higher end air fryer. Of course, this was the original item that made the air fryer popular. I wanna say like 6, 7, 8 years ago, was frozen French fries. All right, you guys, Chef Tony Trin is about to make a Michelin tier steak and frites right now, but we need to make a smala mayo with French fries.
Vegan? Yeah.
Oh, it's vegan.
Vegan mayo. So let's make it like a little bit better with smala, right?
Yeah, and also smala is vegan.
Yeah, that's good.
Mmm.
Listen, guys, everything in this dish was air fried. The steak, the French fries, that's Wagyu. That's straight out of the frozen aisle at the grocery store.
Dude, this whole dish at any restaurant in New York would have been $65. Let's try it out. Dave, go in. Smala mayo. Mmm. Ooh.
It's incredible to make mayo out of smala. Listen, guys, if you guys follow the foodie internet, you know that these $30, $40, $50, $60 chicken nuggets have been popping up everywhere around the globe. Let's see if we can make our own at home in an air fryer.
This is Wagyu, air fried Wagyu with some smala on it, and I'm gonna put extra. I'm a little skeptical because I've never tried this before. Let's give it a shot. That's really turned down. And this is a new smala that's coming out. This is really good.
All right, Chef Tony, we're making some fancy chicken nuggets. They're trending all across the internet right now. What's the first step?
First step, we're gonna make some smala hollandaise sauce.
Smala hollandaise sauce. Guys, he is mixing the egg yolks over the fire.
All right, Chef Tony, listen, we've got the finest frozen French fries, frozen chicken nuggets. Let's fancy it up. Hey, I made sure I got the public school chicken nuggets too. This is not, I went.
That's our very own smalandaise sauce. Using the Fung Bros patented spork technique. Oh, fresh ikura. Woo!
So make sure you grab some of this last one for that's some truffle on there.
Yeah, golden smala bottle.
Fancy chicken nuggets. Dude, there are people who eat this and are serving this for like 30 bucks.
Oh my goodness.
We got fresh ikura, we got golden flakes, fresh truffle, smala hollandaise. I'm excited, guys.
All right, cheers, guys.
Cheers. That is so umami. That was crazy.
All right, you guys, that does it for that episode of Fung Bros Food Shortcut Kitchen. Pro chef from Toronto, Tony Trin. I mean, we did the air fried Wagyu, both Australian and Japanese style, versus the pan skillet one. As far as that dish goes, what was everybody's takeaway?
Chef?
I think air fryer, if you don't have the tools and everything, you can do everything in the air fryer as long as you have the aromatics and you're good.
Yo, I would say this, if you don't have a cast iron and you just got an air fryer, you can definitely do it. It kind of helps if you're using butter, helps if your air fryer can go up to 450, and also helps if you have the foil parchment paper, which I think heats it up a little bit more. Also, the cut of meat we're using Wagyu.
I think the thing that I took away from the air fryer segment was the aromatic. You know, we never had that level available to us, but now my thinking is gonna be different. As far as the fancy chicken nuggets, what do we think of that trend?
I mean, the ones that you made, they were good, but I wouldn't say it was like, I don't want to pay 50 bucks for them. You know what I mean?
What's your opinion?
I think they look really pretty, so it's nice to eat pretty food.
Yeah, I would say this, guys. You can make it for your friends. It's gonna be a great, night in. But, paying 50, 60 out, it's up to you.
I would say get a nice cut of steak in a hot air fryer. It's totally worth it. I think you could do it. Chef, you showed us that you could do it.
You guys, check out Chef Tony Trin on Instagram. You're winning all these competitions. Yo, thank you for so much for being passionate about smala, brother.
International award-winning chef. Check him out. He also makes a lot of really cool smala recipes. So check out our smala sauce on Instagram to see a lot of his videos. Until next time.